In this tutorial today, we shall be learning how to add currency symbols and other symbols like kg, liters, pieces in Microsoft Excel. I will be using this Excel sheet and data for this tutorial. So to get started, for me to get kg, which is kilogram, within all the cells in this column, I first highlight the entire column. I right click on format cells. This will open up a dialog box for me. Making sure I am in number, I click on custom, delete general, then I type in 0, put in inverted comma, put space, then I type kg for kilogram, put inverted comma again, I click OK. It has added kg to all the numbers within this column. Unless I want to add liters to be in front of all the numbers within this column, I highlight the entire column, making sure I am in Home tab. I click on this drop down arrow that is within number group, making sure as well that I'm in number. Click on custom, delete general. I type in inverted comma, put in the symbol of liters, type in inverted comma again, put space and type in 0. Then I click OK. You'll notice that the liter symbol has appeared before all the numbers. Then I want to add pieces behind the numbers in this column. I highlight first, right click, go to format cells, making sure I'm in number, click custom, delete general, I type in 0, put inverted comma, space, then I put in the symbol for pieces, I put inverted comma again and press OK. Now let's say I want to add currency symbol in this column that contain unit price. I highlight first from this number column in Home tab, click the drop down arrow, select currency. By default is in dollars, but in this tutorial I'll be choosing another currency. I'll be using Nigerian Naira, choosing Igbo. I have 2 decimal points here. I have the option of removing it or leaving it, but I will leave it in this tutorial. Then I click OK. It has added the Naira sign of the Nigerians into all the cells within this column. And let's say I want to add a symbol that is not represented within the currency in this one. So I highlight. After I have highlighted, I click on this drop down arrow, making sure I'm in number, click custom, delete general. I type in inverted comma, then I put the symbol which is RS, put full stop or dot, then I type in inverted comma again, give space and type 0. Then I click OK. It has added the symbol to this entire column. Let's say I want to calculate the total and I want this Naira symbol to be here. First, I highlight the entire column, right click, go to format cells, making sure I am in currency from number, click on the drop down arrow and select the Igbo Nigerian symbol of Naira that was there, click on it and click OK. Now when I put equal sign here, I click on the cell for unit price, type in asterisk for multiplication and click on cell for kilogram. I click enter. It has given me the answer with a Nigerian Naira symbol attached to it. I click here, put my cursor to turn to a little black plus sign. I double click and it has given me all the totals with the Nigerian Naira symbol attached to it. Now let's say I want to get the total for the kg, liters and pieces as well as the currencies. I type in equal sign, put sum, open brackets, click on the first cell that contain number within the kilogram, highlight to the end, close brackets, and I click enter. So we have 240 kilograms. To get the total amount for the unit price, I put equal sign, open bracket. I click on the first cell that contains numbers and highlight to the last, close bracket, and click enter. To calculate for the liters, we put equal sign, type in sum, open bracket, highlight, close bracket, click enter. For the pieces, we highlight all, close bracket, we put equal sign, open bracket, highlight, and we have our total. Now let's say you just want to prepare a template for your products and you want anytime you key in any amount, it will give you the kg symbol or the currency symbol and we give you the total as well. To do that, we first highlight the entire column, right click, go to format cells, making sure we are in number, click custom, delete general, we type in 0, put inverted comma, space, we put kg and then inverted comma. This brings us to unit price. We highlight, let's use this number group, click on the drop down, select currency. I'll be using American dollar symbol for this one, so I click OK. I put equal sign, put sum, open bracket, I highlight, close bracket, click enter. Here I put equal sign, type in sum, open bracket, highlight, close bracket, click enter. Here I put equal sign as well, sum, open bracket, highlight, close bracket, and click enter. Here I put equal sign, click on this, put asterisk, click on this, and click enter. So once I put in the number of kg and put any amount, it will calculate by itself. So let me fill up the rest and I double click here and it has given us the total amount. So we have come to the end of this tutorial today. Hope you get some value from this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. Do share this video with family and friends. Have a wonderful day.